Come test drive the 2025 Passport. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, clock, HD radio, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, perimeter alarm. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.